Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at an issue which I've come across myself. When you come to use your van or your car, you've got a stiff gear stick. It's not moving, it's not making precise movements, it's not going where you want it to go, and it's difficult and hard to move. Let's not jump to conclusions and assume it's the gearbox. There is a few quick checks you can do at home, and maybe a solution or a temporary solution which will get you by for the time being that you can do. So no messing around, guys, straight into the video and I'll show you what you can check.
First things first, guys, we need to make sure that we have a minimum distance between the gear lever and the reverse gear blocker. We do this by lifting up the gear stick gaiter with a flathead screwdriver and checking the distance between these 2 points. You need a minimum distance of 3.3 to 4.3 millimeters. If you don't have this, we may need to look at making other adjustments, but that's for a further video. We take a look into the engine bay. In the top right corner is where we want to be. I have moved some of the pipework out of the way and disconnected some of it just so I've got easier access for the torch and video. If you look further down, you'll be able to see the linkages and levers. They can be identified where the torch is pointing. You can see the ribbed gaiters above them, and that's where we need to be spraying the WD-40. Here's a close-up of the interior, just so it gives you a better idea of what you're looking at. Again, any rusted parts, any worn parts, anything like that, you can get by just getting your phone in there with a good torch and having a good look. If you have any doubts, please get in touch with your local garage and make sure that you get them looked at. Now we get my WD-40. I do get one with the attached straw because I'm forever losing them, so you can't go wrong with getting one that's already on the can. Straight in there, and we want to hit all points with precise shooting. We don't really want to be spraying everywhere else. We want to use it kind of sparingly, really. Just hitting the major points where we want to move them. Now you need to leave this for a good few hours. Move it immediately, get it in there, get it all going. So get inside, change the gears, then leave it for a good couple of hours, then come back and do another spray. And you will notice a dramatic difference. This was after a period of 2 hours now, and you can see already that they're moving a lot smoother than what they was before. So fortunately for me, it's got me going and got me back on with a nice smooth, good as new gearbox.
So that's about it, guys. Now make sure you do go and get them checked out by a garage or a reputable dealer, because this is no means of a solution. This is just a temporary measure to make sure that all the components are working and gets you on the road, gets you going again. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If this has helped, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up because it does help me, and I'll see you on the next video.